Hi my friends, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. Let's talk about what flower seeds to sow for seedling in January. If you want to get flower seedling in early spring, you can choose both annuals and perennials. The flower seeds to sow for seedlings in January that I will be sowing this week are 1. Verbena Trailing, Surfinia Petunias. These annual flowers take quite a while to form long and flexible shoots, so they need their seeds to have more time to grow. How to properly seed trailing petunias. For germination of petunia seeds, you need to prepare a light nutritious soil. Fill seed containers, moisten well and sow petunia on the moistened substrate. After 5 to 7 days, if the petunia seeds have good germination, you will see the first sprouts. I advise you to plant petunia seeds immediately in separate containers. This is a good solution. Your plants will not be damaged in the process of transplantation. The best type of trailing petunia are tidal wave, Opera suprema. Verbena Trailing. Verbena is an annual plant that can be grown from seeds and cuttings. Verbena loves the sun. So, before sowing, determine a place for garden pots. Sow verbena seeds in January, so that the plant forms long shoots by early summer. Verbena shoots need to be plucked for large blooms. Viola large floweret. Viola belongs to the violet family. It is usually a biennial plant, but new hybrids can be grown as an annual. If you sow the seeds of Viola in December or January, you will have these beautiful flowers in summer. Viola seeds germinate at a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Lavender. Lavender is a very beautiful drought-tolerant plant that is easy to grow from seeds, but lavender seeds need stratification. Stratification is the cooling of the seeds before planting them in the soil. The stratification period for lavender seeds is 3 to 4 weeks. You can use a refrigerator or snow for stratification. Five. Delphinium. Delphinium seeds germinate very poorly and also need stratification. Therefore, it is better to sow them in January. I do sow in Delphinium seeds on wet filter paper or on a napkin and send them for the refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks. The seeds need to be ventilated every day to prevent rot from forming. As soon as the first sprouts appear, I start planting live Delphinium seeds in the substrate. Six. Chinese carnation and Shabo carnation. Carnation is a flower that grows very slowly from seeds and starts flowering in about 6 months from the time the seeds sprout. Therefore, carnation seeds should be sown as early as possible. This is also necessary to stratify the carnation seeds to improve the germination of the seeds. Seven. Clematis. Clematis seeds also need to be stratified, but before them I treat clematis seeds with a natural growth stimulant. This is important. If you want to see how well the flower seeds you sow sprout, I suggest sowing them on the surface of a damp paper tissue. When the flower seeds are spread on the surface of the soil, I spread the seeds with a natural growth stimulant for flowers to improve their germination. To avoid more of the seeds on the first sprout appear, I make sure to aerate the plant and use fungicides for watering periodically. Thanks for watching and commenting. I'm glad you subscribed to my channel. See you soon.